Hey guys, I hope you guys are about to enjoy the video that you're about to watch, and if you guys want to get access to awesome trades like this that me and Hayden post on a regular basis, all you have to do is sign up with the link in the description. Now remember, we're not always going to win them, but we're going to make some great gains along the way. Feel free to check out the profit and loss history on my website. Peace.
Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day and making some really good trades. Now let's get right into it because Bitcoin has broken a pretty significant trend line here. We've retested it as resistance. Now we're just chopping sideways, right? Not much to be said. Now, what are people gonna do? Are we longing? Are we going to 50,000? Are we going to 70,000? We're crashing to zero. It's a lot of speculation going on right now. My best guess is that we're probably going to follow this bearish count that I have right here. Oh, no, that's a bullish count. We have the bearish count here where we've actually retraced to the 50% retracement now. And we've kind of hit like a brick wall right around the $44,000 level. Although I will not write off that we could push higher to the 618 and kind of stop everyone out that's entering shorts right here, which would be kind of like a pattern that the DXY has done. Very similar. We're kind of stair-stepping our way up, and now we're getting a final shove up here, kind of like what Bitcoin's doing. We're stair-stepping back up. Could we even re-enter the sell area back here at 48, 49? Yeah, we could. Really stop everyone out and then dump it down. It would be possible, but looking at market cipher here, when we get over to market cipher, it's showing, well, the Elliott wave count at least is showing us this fifth wave extension, which is the bullish scenario where this is a 1-2, and now we're going to pull back in 2 and come back, continue up in 1. But this would mean that we're going to go to like 60,000 before the halving. And looking at where the money flow is right now, and I think CryptoFace has done analysis on this too, which is the creator of Market Cipher. Look at where it is right now. Look where we are at. You could take a look at maybe not previous cycles, but we could look at back in 2019 where we were at in terms of money flow. Yeah, I mean, look where we were at in terms of money flow back in 2019 after this big shove up, and retrace, kind of a bit of a retrace too. And look at the money flow, right? Once we cross back, we're kind of right here right now. And once we cross back into the red, it could spell out, some negative price action for Bitcoin until the halving happens. Which, by the way, let me get on the halving chart here that I have illustrated. So we have our halving coming up here in April, and this was the halving back in 2020, and then we had the price declining back in 2019. We re-entered red money flow, and we had a complete drop of like 40-30% in the Bitcoin price, which was quite unfortunate. After that, halving follows. 2 months later, price starts to take off. So usually like 2 to 3 months after the halving, nothing really happens. 2 to 3 months before the halving, however, you can get some pretty big dramatic price drops, right? Or you could be like a 2015 scenario where you just keep running up regardless. But yeah, I mean, I my best guess is that we're probably going to see some sort of a pullback before more upside, and the wave 4 can still extend lower if we're playing out this fifth wave. It could be an ABC to one more C-leg down to 30K before we continue back up. Halving comes, maybe we sell off, and then we go even higher after that. So again, it's really subjective. Weekly is looking good. I mean, we're in green money flow on the weekly, so things are looking really good still. Monthly is looking good as well. But for the time being, if you're trying to play on the short side, it's not a bad time. You're not shorting at the worst time. You're also not shorting at the best time, in my opinion. If you want to be patient and try and get a short opportunity here, you can. But if you want to get in now, make sure you set your stops. You're some tight stops above here. You got pivots to trade against. And if we do push higher, at least you get stopped out and you can re-enter in with a better entry. So yeah, that's basically it. We'll be looking for it to take a short opportunity, maybe after this video. Looking at the daily, we got that red cross, I think last week, February 1st. 4-hour time frame, we got some significant selling here from the whales. We've been getting significant selling on our way up, but now that we've had a nice little retrace, you know, we saw some dip buyers come in, and now we had a nice little run up. Now the big question is, are we going to run up a little bit more before we start to sell off, or is this it and we're done, right? The 1 hour time frame, you know, nothing really new here. You know, short-term traders, you guys can get on these smaller time frames and try and trade these short and sell signals. But I usually don't do that. I like the dailies. I like the 4 hour. I like the 1 hour and the 45 minute. But the 1 hour and even the larger time frames like 2 day, you got a couple green crosses here. You know, on the 2 day time frame, which means, you know, you could see more upside. 3 day, you got a green cross here on the 3 day as well. 4 day, you got a green cross on the 4 day. So again, these are big time frames to get green crosses on, and they usually lead to some more upside. But look at where we were in the cycle, right? In the previous cycle, we got these green crosses, and the price still sold off, which means, like, you know, that significant selling we got on the weekly and the 4 days, it really does matter, right? So again, I'll be looking to see possibly enter a short. And then this will probably be a, you know, one that we hold for a little bit, and then Hex usually starts to run up when Bitcoin starts to take a dump into water. But we'll see. We'll take it day by day, and we'll take it trade by trade. Anyways, enjoy the video, guys, and if you like it, leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to get access to our long and short signals for crypto, feel free to enter. Put the link in the description. It's $20 a month for crypto, and if you guys want stocks and crypto, you can join the be a gold member. Alright guys, have a wonderful evening. Good night. Peace.